Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. National Pension System Trust, that is NPS Trust, has announced notification for the direct recruitment to the post of Officer Grade B, that is Manager, and Officer Grade A, Assistant Manager. We'll see the dates, age, and educational qualification required to apply for the post of Manager and Assistant Manager. The online application and payment of fees, okay, will start from 30th of December 2020 and the last date is 29th of January 2021. This is for the officer grade B manager, and you have three phases, that is phase 1, phase 2 and phase 3. Officer grade assistant manager, the online application also starts from 30th of December 2020 and the last date is 29th January 2021. In assistant manager, you have two phases. One is phase 1 and phase 2. Here you have, in phase 2 you have group discussion and interview. We'll see the weightage for each phase. Let us go down. Yeah, details of vacancies. For grade B manager, you have two streams. One is general stream and information technology. 3 unreserved and 1 OBC. Total 4 in general stream. Information 1 unreserved. That is total 1. Assistant manager, that is grade A. You have 6 unreserved, 2 OBC, 1 SC. Total 9. So grade A and grade B total vacancies are 14. And the pay scale for the manager post is 35,150 to 62,400. This is the scale. Along with this, you have other benefits. We'll see what is the CTC. And for grade A, that is assistant manager, 28,150 to 55,600. Along with this, you will have other benefits. Eligible criteria for the grade B officer, that is manager. For general stream, the education qualification is master's degree in any discipline, bachelor degree in law, bachelor degree in engineering, CA, CFA, CS, CWA. Any qualification are eligible to apply. Along with this, you need to have a minimum of 3 years of experience, and the upper age limit is 30 years as on 30 November 2020. And for the information technology, you need to have a bachelor degree in engineering, that is electrical, electronics and communication, information technology, computer science, or you have other courses, computer and information technology, and this also 3 years of experience, and the upper age is 30 years. Now we'll see the educational qualification for the post of assistant manager. You need to have master degree in any discipline, bachelor degree in law, bachelor degree in engineering, or CA, CFA, CS, CWA, and no experience is required for the post of assistant manager, and the upper age limit is 30 years. They gave some important notes, that is you need to have a you need to be have some knowledge of MS Word, MS Office, and we'll see more about this. Yeah, mode of selection. Phase 1, we are discussing for officer grade B, that is manager. What I said, we had 3 phases. Now we are discussing about phase 1, paper 1, all streams, that is general and information technology. So you will have for 200 marks 150 minutes. We'll see the distribution of marks. So you will have English language Total 40 questions, 40 marks, and the sectional timing is 35 minutes. Reasoning, 40 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes. General awareness plus financial sector awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 25 minutes. Computer awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 25 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, 30 questions, 30 minutes, 30 marks. So total 190 questions, 200 marks, and 150 minutes is the duration. You have 1/4 of negative marking in paper 1. And again, you need to clear separate cutoff for each section. So while marking, make sure. And for phase 2, for paper 1, all stream, you have English descriptive, that is 100 marks, 60 minutes. For paper 2, general, you have multiple questions on commerce, accountancy, management, finance, costing, companies act, economics, and pension sector. 100 marks, 40 minutes. Information technology will have some questions from your subject, and maximum marks is 100, and it is for 40 minutes. Those who qualify in the second phase will be called for interview, that is third phase. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. This we all know this. And the weightage, the marks obtained in phase 2, 70% weightage, your experience 10% weightage, and your interview 20. For officer grade A, that is assistant manager, you have two phases. One is phase 1, online examination, phase 2, group discussion and interview. We'll directly see the English language, 40 questions, 40 marks, 35 minutes. Reasoning, 40 questions, 50 marks, 35 minutes. General awareness plus financial sector awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 25 minutes. Computer awareness, 40 questions, 40 marks, 25 minutes. Quantitative aptitude, 30 questions, 30 marks, 30 minutes. So total 190 questions, 200 marks, and 150 minutes. And phase 2, you have group discussion and interview. We'll see the weightage for each. Marks obtained in the first phase, you'll have 70% weightage. Again, in phase 2, you have group discussion and interview. For group discussion, 10% weightage, and interview 20% weightage. As I said, along with the basic pay, you have other allowances. The CTC is 21 lakh per manager position, and for assistant manager 18 lakhs per annum. You have other benefits: book grant, briefcase, medical expenses, house clearing allowances, staff furnishing scheme, okay, purchasing computer. You have benefits. And those who clear all the 2 phase or 3 phases, okay, will undergo 1 year of probation, and they'll be posted in Delhi, and if required they may be transferred to other places also. And especially we have given examination centers, so please go through it. The above mentioned are for phase 1 and grade A and grade B, phase 1, and this is for phase 2 only for grade B. There is reduction in the centers, just have a look at it. And the examination fees is 1000, which is non-refundable. We'll see the syllabus at the end. So you need to apply through online only when it is enabled. Yeah, for phase 2, the syllabus, commerce and accountancy, you can see. If you need, you can take the screenshot of this one. Management, I'll go through it slowly. Finance, financial system, financial market, general topics, costing, and Companies Act, economics, pension sector. For information technology stream, these are the topics. You can take the screenshot of this. Thank you. If you like this video, share with your friends.